Hello from AlphaCars in Ural of New England. My name is Ben Griffin, and we're in our Boxborough showroom with a lovely 2003 CLK320. These were fantastic cars when they came out, and they remain fantastic cars today, and tremendous values if you can find one like this. Only 2 owners on this car. It's covered less than 75,000 miles. Both the original owner and the second owner who we sold the car to have taken tremendous care of it. We've been servicing the vehicle since 2013 and can attest to the quality of care which has been lavished upon this vehicle. Additionally, when we received it at AlphaCars, we mounted and balanced a new set of tires all the way around. And you can see this car looks great, and it's fire mist paint over oyster leather interior. There's a couple of small marks. Normally, if this car was only, 3 or 4 years old, I'd say it would be consistent with age, but on a 2003, it's really remarkable how good this car looks. The paint shows very nicely. Got very small scrape here, very small scrape there, nothing through the paint, just through the clear coat. The wheels are not in fantastic condition. They've got some discoloration, but they are straight. They're not curbed. It's merely cosmetic. The function of them is perfect. Coming on to the inside of the car, it's very presentable inside. We do have all the manuals, which are right there in the passenger seat. And the wood looks absolutely beautiful, as does the dashboard and steering wheel. All the controls look great. All the controls work. Again, not much to speak of. We do have a little bit of dirt that's here on the oyster seat, both driver and passenger, but not much to talk about at all. Of course, one of the great things about the CLKs is that they're true 4-seat convertibles. Human beings can sit back here. The leather back here does show a little bit of age again, like the front seats. We do have a little bit, it's not cracking, but just a little bit of patina that's on the seat, and then just a little bit of dirt. Nothing really to talk about, but we want to make sure that you know it's there. Total transparency, that's the AlphaCars way. Coming to the back, notice how clean the lenses look back here. It just knocks me out that this is a 2003. Both the high-mounted rear brake light, the clear portions of the tail lamps and turn signals and backup lights back here, it's super clean. The bumper is also super clean. Really only one nick that I can point to right there. But again, 2003, it's fantastic. We, of course, have the top down, and we'll show you that with the top up later on. It looks great, but we have the original carpets. A little bit of wear on those, perfectly serviceable. If you want new ones, we can help you find them. We also have the tonneau cover, which is here in the case. The spare tire and all of the tools are present. And I just can't get over this paint. I really think this car looks fantastic. That one rear wheel we showed you was the worst of it. There's a little bit of marks on this. Again, nothing really to talk about, but we want you to know that it's there. And coming over to the driver's seat, this is a very comfortable car. Those bolsters are extremely supportive. That long bottom seat cushion supports your thighs as well. It's great if you're just running down to the corner store or hopping in to do a 200-mile drive. Again, just a little bit of dirt on the seat, nothing to talk about. The steering wheel is very nice, the dashboard's very nice. A couple of small marks here on the interior panel, but really overall, the interior is in very nice condition, certainly for a 17-year-old vehicle with only 74,000 and change miles. Coming around to the front, you can see the classic Mercedes-Benz 4-round headlights, indicative of the late 90s, early 2000s era, and one we won't see again. Let's take a look under the hood. 2 details up here that I really love is you still have the Mercedes-Benz hood ornament, and then a classic touch, the latch release pulls out from the grille. Any of you that had classic Mercedes will recognize that there. And in here, everything is just very honest, very clean. Again, used, but what we're looking at here is an engine bay that has nothing out of place, no egregious stains. All the hoses are soft and pliable. All the fasteners are in the correct place, and they have not had a wrench on them, meaning that there's no unreported repairs on this car. These CLKs are a pleasure to drive. Again, whether it's around town or on long distance with the top up or down. And if you can find one in this kind of condition, it represents a tremendous value. Check it out on the web. Check out the pricing on it. Check out what else we have available. AlphaCars.com, or give us a call, 978 263-9000. And if you like this car or any of our other inventory, please like, share, subscribe. We've got lots more wonderful vehicles coming your way soon.